Alright, $10 for Apple Earpods? I don't know. So these are the i7 TWS Twin True Wireless Earbuds V4.2 plus EDR. I have no idea what all that means, but these are fake Apple Earpods. And don't tell me these don't look like the Apple Earpods producer, manufacturer. I don't know if you're a yeah. So they have high definition music, I doubt it. Sport friendly, extra bass, hands-free calls, lightweight. And then some Chinese thing, yeah. These are really plasticky. So in the box you get a charger. It's a pin charger, as you can see. So you probably connect these like this, yeah. And then you can charge them. That's a bit weird, but okay. So these things are really plastic. As you can see, I'm going to show them a bit closer. These are just yeah, plastic AirPods. Yep. These look a bit weird probably because they are very big and they don't fit that well in my ears, and they feel really plastic. The button over here is rambling a lot. But yeah, these are $10. So let's power these on. So you have to connect these with each other via WPS, and beside the fact that they make a really weird sound, again, it's pretty easy to connect. Alright, these are not the loudest sounding earpods I've already used, but for the price, pretty impressed. The sound is clear. There's not a lot of bass, no, really, but the sound is clear, and that's already impressive in my opinion. They actually fit pretty well. They don't fall out. I was expecting them to fall out easily, but as you can see, they really don't fall out, and that's already impressive for me. But the quality of the earpods is just terrible. These are plastic things. They ramble a lot. They also look very big, as you can see. So these big white sticks sticking out of my ears, that's a bit weird as well. There's a lot of latency when you watch YouTube videos, for example. Not good. Would not recommend them for YouTube videos, but for some casual listening. And they actually look a bit like the real ones, the real Apple AirPods, so that's pretty cool. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe for more content, and see ya.